Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pressure cooker is probably one of the most versatile and time-saving kitchen appliances you can own, transforming tough cuts of meat into tender delights in a fraction of the usual time and making beans and grains cook in mere minutes, all while locking in flavor and nutrients, making it an indispensable tool for busy home cooks seeking delicious meals with minimal effort. Number 5. Instant Pot Step-by-Step Cookbook. Discover the joy of effortless cooking with our comprehensive guide. It's designed to make every meal a spectacular success, even for beginners. Explore a collection of 100 easy-to-follow recipes. Each one is crafted to deliver delicious results without the fuss. Achieve impressive dishes with confidence. This cookbook ensures that every meal you prepare turns out perfectly, just as you imagined. Never guess your way through a recipe again. We provide clear, step-by-step photographs for every single stage of the cooking process. Make mealtime simpler and more enjoyable. This is your essential companion for creating amazing food with your Instant Pot. Elevate your cooking skills with ease. Whether you're new to the kitchen or looking to expand your repertoire, these recipes are for you. What we like. This cookbook offers a visual guide to cooking. If you are a beginner or prefer clear, step-by-step instructions with accompanying photographs, this is the perfect choice for you. It ensures spectacular results with every simple recipe. What people say. This book is organized, well put together with step-by-step pictures of the process and pictures of the finished dish. No guessing. There are tips everywhere. Great recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step pictures make cooking a breeze. Great variety of dishes to prepare. He includes not only simple basic recipes, but beautiful step-by-step photos. This is a book you will want if you're considering buying an Instant Pot, or if you already have one, and want to do more with it. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer FG551. Introducing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill and Air Fryer, your all-in-one solution for indoor grilling and air frying. It sears, sizzles, and crisps, delivering perfect results every time with its smart cook system. Experience true barbecue flavor right in your kitchen. Its cyclonic grilling technology uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit air to evenly char grill your food, giving you delicious sear marks without the need for an outdoor grill. Take the guesswork out of cooking with the integrated smart thermometer. With multiple protein presets and doneness levels, you can achieve your desired results, from rare steak to well-done chicken, without over or undercooking. This grill boasts an extra-large capacity, perfect for family dinners or meal prepping. It can cook mains and sides simultaneously, easily accommodating up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs. It's more than just a grill. This versatile appliance also air crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. It's the perfect replacement for multiple kitchen gadgets, offering endless culinary possibilities. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat. The included air fryer crisper basket delivers that satisfying crispy texture without the guilt of traditional frying. Grill indoors without the smoke. Its innovative smoke control system, featuring a splatter shield and controlled grill grate, minimizes smoke, keeping your kitchen clean and odor-free. What we like. Experience authentic barbecue flavor indoors with its advanced grilling technology and smart thermometer for perfect doneness. If you love grilled food but lack outdoor space or want healthier options, this appliance is ideal. Its versatility also makes it a great replacement for multiple kitchen gadgets. What people say. It does 6-in-1 cooking, grill, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, all in one machine. Everything I've cooked comes out juicy and delicious, with great grilling sear and crispy air-fried finish. The smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of meats. The capacity is great for larger portions, and the different functions make it useful for everything from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes. The preset function with the thermometer works very well. Burgers perfect medium every time. SND super fast without the greasy mess of frying open skillet. Number 3. Instant Family Meals Cookbook. Discover the joy of quick and delicious meals with our new cookbook. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. Whether you use a slow cooker, pressure cooker, multi-cooker, or Instant Pot, this guide is packed with recipes. You'll learn to create amazing dishes with ease. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and long cooking times. We provide simple instructions for mouth-watering meals that are perfect for busy weeknights. Impress your loved ones with a variety of flavorful dishes. These recipes are designed to be family-friendly and incredibly satisfying. This cookbook is your ultimate resource for convenient and tasty meals. It's the perfect addition to any home cook's collection. What we like. This cookbook focuses on creating delicious dishes for the whole family using various convenient appliances. If you own a multi-cooker or instant pot and are looking for easy, family-friendly recipes, this is a fantastic resource. It simplifies meal preparation for busy households. What people say. Many of the recipes are accessible and interesting. Sarah's recipe formats are easy to follow and pretty adaptable. She often makes suggestions for leaving out or substituting ingredients. The recipes are well written and show a deft hand in creating delicious food. Another plus are the headnotes that tell you more about each dish, and each page contains tips, swaps and add-ins. Number 2. Complete Guide to Pressure Canning. Unlock the secrets to safe and effective pressure canning. Learn everything you need to preserve your favorite foods with confidence. Discover how to perfectly can meats and a wide variety of vegetables. Enjoy fresh flavors year-round with simple techniques. Transform your ingredients into convenient and tasty meals in a jar. This guide shows you how to create complete dishes for easy storage. Explore advanced canning methods and tips for preserving even more. Expand your culinary skills and enjoy a wider range of preserved foods. This comprehensive guide is your ultimate companion for all things pressure canning. Get ready to preserve with ease and expertise. What we like. This guide provides comprehensive knowledge on pressure canning for preserving meats, vegetables, and meals. If you are interested in long-term food storage, reducing waste, or becoming self-sufficient, this book is essential. It ensures safe and effective preservation techniques. What people say. This book literally helped me get over the fear of the dangers with canning, botulism, because it explains things so well. The instructions are clear, detailed, and perfect for both beginners and experienced canners. The book arrived well packaged in paperback form, large pages with step-by-step directions on the proper way to can meats, vegetables, and full meals. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Complete Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the ultimate guide to mastering your Ninja Foodi. This cookbook is designed specifically for beginners, making complex cooking simple. Explore the dual power of pressure cooking and air frying. Achieve perfect results every time with easy-to-follow instructions. Go beyond the basics and learn to dehydrate your favorite foods. This guide covers a wide range of functions to expand your culinary horizons. You'll receive expert advice tailored for beginners. Learn tips and tricks to make the most out of your appliance from day one. This is your comprehensive resource for all things Ninja Foodi. Enjoy delicious meals and impress your family and friends with your new skills. What we like. This is your expert guide to mastering a versatile pressure cooker that also crisps. If you are new to pressure cooking or the Ninja Foodi and want to explore its full potential, including air frying and dehydrating, this cookbook is perfect. It simplifies complex functions for beginners. What people say. The author does a great job at quickly explaining all of its functions. She also provides a wealth of recipes, many with ingredient swap ideas and uses. The information is excellent and answered a lot of our questions about how to use the cooker. We especially like the tables at the back with cooking instructions for individual items. This book has so many good tips on how to use my new Ninja Foodi. There are so many amazing recipes you can make in the Ninja. I especially like the handy cooking time charts included in this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.